Hello everyone, welcome to knowledge sheet number 4. Remember in the last video I had said we're going to introduce you to a couple that never gets married or lovers who never get married. So what is this couple? Who are these lovers? Desire and joy. All desires are for happiness. That is the goal of every desire. Isn't it? Yet how often does your desire lead you to the goal? Desires when fulfilled give rise to more desires. There is no end to it. We can keep on postponing our happiness, just thinking that once this desire gets fulfilled, I'm going to be happy. And you get there, and then the fulfillment of the desire gives rise to another 100 desires. You wanted a fantastic job, you got that job. Now because you entered this new world of your great dream job, that particular situation in your life has added 100 more desires. Then you feel that, okay, now I fulfill these desires, and then there will be contentment. But that does not happen. Have you thought about the nature of desire? It simply means joy tomorrow and not now. Doesn't it? Now this is where the biggest contradiction is. When you are happy, he says, joy is never tomorrow, it is always now. When you are joyful, how can you have desires? And how can you be joyful when you are in the grip of desire? This grip of desire, once Gurudev said a very beautiful, he gave a very nice example. He said, the desire is like a merry-go-round. You sit on that horse and you keep rocking and you keep going round and round. You don't get anywhere. And you get down at the same place where you climbed up. So, before the desire where you were, after the desire is fulfilled, you are at the same spot, same place. You have not progressed at all. Your state of mind is the same. And this, it is called merry-go-round, but after some time, it just goes round and round, and it is no merry. There is no merry there. There is no happiness there. It has killed the joy completely. It is only a promise. He says, desire promises to lead you to happiness. In fact, it cannot. And that is why it is Maya. So, that is why I call this desire and joy. They are lovers who never ever get married. So, 362 more to go. And we are on number 4 now. We just finished number 4. So, please do subscribe and share this and be hooked to this knowledge sheets. I will tell you the next knowledge sheets is about master is the door. It is about an enlightened master, a guru comes in life. What happens? That is the next knowledge sheet. See you in the next video.